70% of the world is covered in water, yet 1% is drinking water that we can consume. Pollution is a major factor in our drinking water today. Some of the dangers to our health whilst consuming this water include fluoride, pharmaceuticals, and chlorine, just to name a few. People readily react to these dangers and buy bottled water, filter systems and the like. However, what you don't realise with these alternatives is the TDS count, the total dissolved solids in these so-called purified waters. In order to combat water pollution, we first must understand the problem to become part of the solution. What we're actually testing today for in the typical water samples that we purchase from supermarkets and the like is for our TDS count, which is the dissolved solids in our water. And that's minerals and solids, and they can be good and bad for our bodies. But what we're testing today is for how many solids are actually dissolved in the waters that we actually drink. Sample 1, we pop into the beaker here, and we grab our TDS tester, which has been calibrated, and we've got a reading of 162 solids per million. And sample number 2. And again, the parts per million, and we have 123 parts per million. And sample number 3 is 90. Sample number 4 is reading at 141 parts per million. Sample number 5 is 45. And sample number 6, we have 135 parts per million. And sample number 7, we have 203. And sample number 8 is 27. Then we come to sample number 9, which is the waterstream purifier, and we have 4 parts per million. And we believe the waterstream is actually the purifier of the future, being manufactured now in Asia and to be distributed around the world. So the waterstream typical unit comes in 2 parts. At this present point in time, we've got other models which are being manufactured on the drawing boards as we speak. But we have 2 parts, one of the housing parts of the filters, and also the tank, or the reserve tank, where the water is actually held prior to us consuming it. To quickly show you, we have a number of filter options inside the unit, where the filter cartridges are contained and cased, and they are easily replaced. Again, everything is made out of solid stainless steel and will last forever. And this is the tank, the holding tank. Once the water goes through the particular filters, depending on what you want in your household. So the water is then contained in a tank that you can draw from at any time, whether it be housed in the kitchen, or we have home models where it filters the whole household, wall mounted, under bench mounted, and the like, and even bench tops. So waterstream have units to suit your needs. Domestic and commercial units are now available. They're made from high-grade food 304 stainless steel metal, and it is a product for life. Waterstream is patented around the world and now is available for you anywhere in the world. You may be thinking, what's in it for me? We've currently got country opportunities, territory and sales opportunities waiting just for you. If this is of interest to you, we'd love to sit down and go through all the materials so that you can actually make an informed decision. Thank you for your time today. And remember, a wise man once said, either use a filter or become one.